Welcome back, everyone. If you remember, previously we discussed an equipment called overload relay or bimetal, and we saw how we can use this equipment in a power circuit. Just as a quick reminder, if you remember, we had three phase lines. Let me write them down: L1, L2, and L3. And we said that these lines would be connected to contactor. Let me try to draw a symbol for the contactor as well. Okay. And we would connect the contactor to the overload relay. And then at the end, the relay was connecting to the three-phase motor. And basically, this was the diagram that we would have for overload relay or bimetal relays in power circuits. And also, if you remember, we said that we have some additional contacts. A couple of normal open and normal closed ones. And we said that based on how the relay is exactly functioning, the open contacts would be closed and closed contacts would be open. Now, in this session, guys, we want to find out what kind of role does this normal closed contacts that we have exactly play, in turning on the three-phase motor. So let me move on to the next slide and start our discussion. Okay, so the power circuit actually works exactly the same. There's no difference, nothing has changed. So let's talk about the control circuit instead. So again, L1 would be connected to the fuse. Then we need to connect the fuse to 95 contact set in our bimetal. And then we need to connect this contact 96 to stop push button. Then stop to start. And start would be connected to A1 in the contactor. And the A2 in the contactor would be connected to the null. And don't forget these two contacts, 13 and 14. These two contacts should be connected to contacts 3 and 4 in our start push button. Now guys, remember, in our power circuits, if the overload relay or bimetal, in other words, starts working, the contact, its contact in the control circuit would be opened. And as a result of this, the contactor would stop working. So, overload relay or bimetal could actually cut off the contactor and as a result, turn off the motor. And also, it could be set in the electrical current's path in the control circuit. And after these contacts started working, talking about 95 and 96, the contactor itself again stops working.